Welcome to From Fat to Muscles, the ultimate fitness channel built to help you burn fat, build muscle, and transform your body naturally. Here, we turn everyday people into their strongest, leanest, and most confident selves through science-based workouts, smart nutrition, and consistent motivation. Whether you're a beginner starting your journey or someone rebuilding after a setback, you'll find everything you need right here. No shortcuts, no magic pills, just real results, real effort, and a community that pushes forward together. Subscribe now and start your transformation from fat to muscles.
The pain for today is your strength for tomorrow. If you are feeling today's pain, good, because that means that tomorrow's strength is already under construction. Welcome to From Fat to Muscles, the ultimate channel built to help you burn fat, build muscle, and transform your body naturally. Follow along as I take you on my journey to recovery from my back injury. Every setback is a setup for a stronger comeback. Here, we turn everyday people into their strongest, leanest, and most confident self through science-based workout, smart nutrition, consistent motivation. Whether you are a beginner starting your journey or someone rebuilding after a setback, you will find everything you need right here. I'm Gayton, and around here we build strong bodies, strong mind, and an unshakable spirit. If you are on a fitness or a recovery journey, hit subscribe and tap the bell, because I drop practical strategy that actually worked in real life, not just on paper. Let me start with a quick story. There was a time I couldn't even finish a basic workout. Everything hurt. My knees, back, neck, especially my lower back. One day I told myself, alright, I will just show up for 10 minutes. If it still hurt, I can stop. That day, 10 minutes became 20. A week later, I finished the whole routine. And a month later, I wasn't the same person. The pain didn't disappear overnight. I transformed. And that is what I want for you today. Here is the truth. Pain is not the enemy. Useless pain. The kind that happens when we avoid growth. That is the enemy. Productive pain. The burn of effect. The stretch of discipline. The ache of recovery. That is the tuition you pay for strength. Think of pain as a message. This is new. This is hard. This matters. When your muscle burn during last reps, that is your body saying, hey, we are adapting. When your mind resists getting off the couch, that is your brain protecting your comfort zone. Thank it for its service and then do it anyway. If the couch had a loyalty program, many of us would be a platinum members. But not today. We are cancelling that subscription. Oh yes, we are cancelling that subscription.
Business inquiries key@yahoo.com.